It is an NFP week. Today is Thursday, so basically I'm just going to start this gold analysis from the 4 hour, because why? We all know that gold has been trending like crazy, going up like crazy, right? So I don't need to go to the highest time frame to understand gold direction. So real quick, I think we should understand we had a high right there, higher low, and we had this as a high. So I'm anticipating gold might come back to test this neckline or previous resistance, sorry, that is turned to a support before we see maybe gold continuing to go up, right? So this is just something like a flip zone. So we mark this level right here, right there. Let's just make it more clean. Mark it right there. Take care of everything, the wicks, right? So like we said, we anticipate that there's that possibility that gold might go back to retest that flip zone. So maybe we should see if we have a trend right there. Right now, all we need to see is just wait for gold to come back, retest this level right here, and try to see how she's going to behave around this level right there. Sometimes it might not hit this zone, but then she might just go hit the trend line before maybe going up, or even tries to drop, right? So we have to mark this level 2 right there. Remember, this is just based on the H4. So if we hit the H1, this is what we see now, right? We anticipate gold did break that. Now at the same time, we can't mark this level because this is the last high that gold has created, something like a double top right here. Let's just have it right here, right? So let's just extend this to, just want to make this analysis simple as possible, right? So that is what we see based on this analysis. Right now, for an early entry, like I said before, wait for gold to hit this level, see how she's going to react around this level. Once you get a confirmation, then we might anticipate she's going to break this high right there. Right now, at the same time, we will, once we see gold going up, we will need to understand this approach around this resistance too. Once we get another correction or continuation, then that will be a good sign that gold wants to break, and then we might continue going up. So let's just wait. Now this time, remember, I don't trade gold, but then if I see gold giving me those kind of anticipation, this time I think I'm going to take the gold trade, right? So first thing, I'll just have my alert around this zone right there. Tomorrow is NFP, I believe so. Today, do we have any news? No. Yeah, right there, non-farm payrolls and unemployment rate, right? So tomorrow is NFP. So I think looking for buys now is more safe, because tomorrow I think trading will be kind of crazy. You know how NFP news behave, right? So like I say, let's just wait for the market to come back, hit this level right there, or it might do this, it might not hit that level. So like I say, we just need to anticipate how she's going to react around this level. If we get a good confirmation, we go in for buys, correct? Let's see, maybe I should look for another pair analysis. I was seeing was this Euro USD 2 was looking way too good right here. Right now, there's something that I've seen on Euro USD. I think I've done a deep analysis based on the highest time frame. So all I think I should just go over that analysis real quick, because right, we've seen that the market had been downtrend, but at the same time we need to cater for this level right there, and of course this zone right there that was broken, and all we see is Euro USD did give us an impulse phase, correction phase right there, impulse phase, and now we just kind of seeing the market giving us a correction phase right there. Now it's just a matter of time before we see Euro USD maybe giving us a good confirmation before we go in for buy. So that is all I'm seeing right now. I'm just waiting for Euro USD to give me that confirmation that I'm ready to go up, and that is when I will be going in for buys. I'm not seeing anything like selling our position unless it drops and takes out this level right there. But for now, she is giving us a continuation pattern, right? So let's just see if we can get another one. Let's try to understand maybe what Nas100 is doing. If you don't get a thing, we just avoid it, right? Let's just see. Let's just understand that. Right, just a minute. Right here. So yeah, we're still seeing Nas100 still playing around this contraction channel that we did have. You know, this analysis was based on I believe two to 3 weeks ago. Right over here, I see already we've seen a double top, but you never know. Nas might just hit this level right here before maybe bouncing back to go all the way up. So all you need to do is just understand how she's going to react around this level. Once you get a good bullish property, this is a good place to go in for buys. But then if we see Nas taking out this level, coming back to retest that with a continuation pattern, then we should look for more sales, right? But then until that, let's just wait for the market to do its thing. Like I say, this zone should be a good level for buys. But then if it breaks, wait for retest, then we should look for sales around that level right there. So I think I should have a gold added to my eye list too. Which one too? I think those are enough for now. I'm also looking at Audcad. Just a matter of time before we see what she's trying to do, but I think she's just trying to give me a continuation pattern right there. Let's just hit the 15, right? So if I see Audcad playing as anticipated, I will look for buys, correct? Then first target should be this level. So Audcad, Euro USD and gold, I think are looking more clean compared to GBP USD. GBP USD is not giving clear structures. I don't know if I have any, and I do have. So I'll avoid GBP USD. She's not giving clear structure. So for now, my eyes will be on Audcad, Euro USD, and gold trade this time round. If gold gives me my anticipation, trust me, I'm going to take that gold trade. I will take gold trade today. So just waiting. In fact, let's just have another alert right here for gold, just in case it doesn't hit this level. Once I hear an alert triggered, if this is triggered, I'll just come to see how she's reacting around this level. And if I get a good reaction, I'm going in for buys, right? Because now look at this. It's just the same thing, right? Look at this. It gave a new high, drop, came back. Now before it broke out of this last high, what did the market do, or what gold do? You see, it gave a continuation pattern right here. That was just to tell you that it wanted to break out of that high. So just the same thing I will be anticipating right here. You know, a good confirmation, such kind of a thing. If this doesn't happen, we wait, right? At the same time, if we get like I say, if we get this pullback right here, then we look for good entry right here. Then I think it will be more clean compared to us taking our entry over here, right? Because this is going to be a good number of pip, right? So yeah, let's just wait. Until then, guys, check out my Telegram link in the description box below, and adios, my amigos. Peace.